Before we jump into the world of dividends, let me tell you a quick tale. Picture this, a squirrel. Let's call him Dave, who's absolutely nuts about nuts. One day, Dave stumbles upon a magical nut, one that replicates itself every time he buries it. At first, Dave is skeptical. A nut that clones itself? Yeah, right, he thinks. But as he watches his stash grow, he realizes he's onto something big. This isn't just any nut, it's a dividend nut. Suddenly, Dave's future looks brighter than ever. He won't just survive the winter, he'll thrive. Now, replace Dave with you and nuts with dividend stocks. That's right, just like Dave's magical nuts, dividend stocks can replicate your investment, turning a small stash into a financial feast. So, let's get cracking and find out how you, like Dave, can grow your wealth in a way that's both smart and a little nutty. Hello, Dividend Conquerors. Welcome to Dividend and Conquer, where we dive into the dynamic world of dividend growth investing. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, hit that subscribe button now and join our journey. Have you ever dreamt of financial independence? Imagine a life where your income isn't tied to a job you don't enjoy or the uncertainty of the job market. This dream can become your reality, and I'm here to show you how. Let's embark on a journey to build a fortress of sustainable wealth through smart dividend investing. Building your dividend portfolio. The cornerstone of this wealth-building strategy is creating a portfolio that pays you, a portfolio rich in investments that not only grow in value, but also pay you regular dividends. Think of these dividends as a stream of income, kind of like having a money tree, except it's less leafy and more lucrative. This stream can either boost your savings or pay your bills. Imagine telling your electricity bill, "No worries, my dividends got this." The real magic, however, happens when you reinvest these dividends. It's like rolling a snowball down a hill of financial opportunity. It gets bigger and bigger. Before you know it, you're not just making snow angels. You're making snow empires. This is what we call the dividend snowball effect, a powerful tool in the arsenal of every smart investor. It's like turning your investments into a battalion of tiny money-making soldiers, marching straight into the war on financial mediocrity. Each reinvested dividend is like giving them a promotion. More stripes, more clout, more income. So gear up and let's start building an army of dividends that could make a general proud. And remember, while money doesn't grow on trees, with the right investment strategy, it can certainly feel like it. If you're finding value in this video and are excited about transforming your financial future with dividend investing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our community of smart investors on Dividend and Conquer for more empowering content. Consistency in investing. Investing isn't just about making smart choices. It's about consistency. Think of it like going to the gym. You can't just lift weights once and expect to be in shape. Similarly, regularly contributing to your dividend portfolio, regardless of the market's ups and downs, is like your financial workout routine. It's about pacing yourself, not sprinting. Consider the story of Emily, a young investor who started small. She began investing just $100 monthly into dividend stocks. At first, the changes were hardly noticeable, like those first few gym sessions, but she stuck with it, rain or shine, bull market or bear. Over the years, thanks to the power of compound interest and dividend reinvestment, her portfolio grew exponentially. By the time she was ready to retire, that modest monthly investment had transformed into a substantial nest egg. Remember, the early bird gets the worm. Starting young and staying committed, like Emily, can lead to remarkable compounding effects over time. It's not just about how much you invest, but how consistently you do it. Consistent investing, even in small amounts, can build a financial mountain from what once seemed like molehills of savings. Tracking and researching investments. Keeping track of your investments is as crucial as a captain navigating a ship. Think of it like a treasure map. You need to know where your treasure is buried and how it's growing. Whether it's a detailed spreadsheet that makes you feel like an accounting wizard, or a sophisticated software tool that turns you into a Wall Street whiz, knowing where your money is and how it's performing is key to successful investing. Picture yourself as a detective, analyzing clues and trends. It's not just about watching numbers go up and down. It's about understanding the story behind those numbers. Moreover, understanding which stocks to invest in requires thorough research. Don't just jump on the bandwagon because everyone else is. Look for companies with a history of reliable dividend growth. These might include a mix of low-yield, high-growth stocks, perfect for the risk takers, or high-yield, lower-growth ones, suitable for the more cautious investors. It's like choosing between a high-speed jet and a steady cruise ship. Both have their perks. Knowledge is power, and in investing, it's the power to grow your wealth. This means regularly tuning into market news, reading up on financial reports, and maybe even following some of the investing gurus out there. Remember, in the world of investing, staying informed is your superpower. Sustainable wealth and avoiding risks. Investing in dividend stocks isn't just about immediate gains, it's about creating sustainable wealth, like planting an orchard that will feed your family for generations. It's the financial equivalent of baking a cake that never stops being delicious. A well-curated dividend portfolio can become a legacy, passed down through generations like a cherished family recipe, but with stocks instead of secret ingredients. But beware of pitfalls. They're like kitchen mishaps in your investment baking. Avoid companies with declining cash flows. They're like ingredients past their sell-by date. And those heavily reliant on debt? Think of them as a recipe calling for too much salt, a disaster waiting to happen. Remember Warren Buffett's golden rules of investing? 1. Don't lose money. It's like making sure not to burn the cake. 2. Never forget rule number 1. Always keep an eye on that oven. These rules are like your kitchen mitts, keeping your financial hands safe from the heat of risky investments. So, put on your chef's hat and start cooking up a storm of sustainable wealth. But remember to steer clear of the no-go zones in the investment supermarket. In conclusion, embarking on the journey of dividend investing is like setting sail on a grand adventure. It's about more than just numbers and charts. It's about crafting a future that's rich in financial freedom and security. As we navigate through the waves of market fluctuations and economic changes, remember that the principles of consistency, informed decision-making, and risk management are your compass and anchor. Your portfolio, carefully built and nurtured, isn't just a collection of investments, it's a testament to your dedication and vision. So keep learning, stay committed, and watch as your dividend empire grows, securing prosperity for today and generations to come. Together, let's conquer the world of investing. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with a question. What's your biggest challenge in dividend investing? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Remember, we are not financial advisors, and the content presented in this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Always consult with a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. And if you enjoyed this video and want to join a community of like-minded investors, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content from Dividend and Conquer. We're here to help you conquer the world of dividend investing and achieve the financial freedom you deserve.